Hi, I'm Kaleb Arnall for United Pacific. Today, we're going to take a look at our wide variety of air-powered train horns. We offer some of the loudest train horns on the market, many boasting ratings up to 155 decibels. United Pacific has stacked 3-trumpet, 4-trumpet, and 5-trumpet horns, as well as straight line trumpet 3-trumpet horns. Also available is the single chrome-plated emergency tone horn. Many of our horn styles are available in either chrome-plated or satin black finishes. Installation does require common hand tools and an electric drill. You will also need an air supply, such as an air compressor. Most of our train horns include an electric solenoid, or you can use our manual control valve lever set. These lever sets are usually mounted on the truck floor next to the seat, and we offer a few different heights. If you need assistance, support is available at faq.upauto.com. You can find our products at any United Pacific dealer or visit our website at truck.upauto.com.